Hi, my name is Susan. I work in the store in Pleasantville, and I'm talking about my top pick, which I love. It's called the STAUB Cocotte. I have a 4-quart here, I have a 5.5-quart here, and I have a 7-quart here. I love all the sizes. They go up to 13. They even go down to 2 quarts. I absolutely love the pot. I use it almost every night for my husband and myself. I use the bigger pots for when my daughters and their husbands come. This has become my go-to pot. I do short ribs, which is one of our favorite things for the holidays. I use my big cocotte, and I'll start it on the stove, sauteing everything, and then moving it and finishing it off in the oven, and then putting it on the table. And the meat falls off the bone like perfection, and everyone loves them. If I do a little too much cooking and a little things stick on the bottom, I don't worry about it. I put a little warm water, a little soap, and by the morning, the pot looks like it has never been used. I feel everybody needs a cocotte. They come in all beautiful colors, and they're my favorite thing.